Great open floor plan in this light and bright in-unit 4-bedroom townhome. Is loaded with extra features like dual-zone air conditioning and a private backyard. Upstairs is a gourmet kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, double oven and extra storage in the pantry. Open floor plan flows to the great room with soaring ceilings and a fireplace feature. Really great outdoor balcony space expands that indoor/outdoor living. Also upstairs is the large primary suite with vaulted ceilings, dual closets and large ensuite bath. Extra bedroom upstairs makes for a great baby room or office. Downstairs 2 large bedrooms open to the private backyard. Separate laundry room, with washer and dryer included. Home has special features such as numerical keypad access, smart switches throughout, central vacuum and closed circuit security cameras for peace.